Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Munib and today we are going to discuss about a new project that name is DWest. DWest is a decentralized autonomous organization, and they also write that the far too long, far too many financial opportunities have been out of the reach of the average investor, reserved for hedge funds, high net worth individuals, institutions, and the like. We are here to change that. We did like to invite you to join us, guys. So you can join them. Just click on the join us option, and you can read more about that. Just click on the about us. And guys, they also write that they build products that decentralize financial opportunities, and the mission is simple. It's a decentralized everything, like currency holders and DWS DOA. So voting and is a proposals, is a blockchain. And guys, in here it's a contractor 1, contractor 2, and contractor 3. So guys, they write in the join our DOA, so you can buy DAO tokens, become a co-owner. So just click on that and you can buy that easily. So you can also visit the DAO dashboard to. So guys, just visit the DAO dashboard if you want to see the DAO holdings and more. And guys, in the third, they write that check the dashboard daily for new proposals, submit your own, and vote as necessary. So in fourth, you can see that you can also join the community to help direct the DAO and its features. So guys, it's a futures. So guys, in at the end, they write that the earned revenue from DWest Labs ventures and more. So guys, this is the join the movement, and guys, you can also join the community and buy the DAO tokens here. So guys, the members of the DAO is almost 37 plus, and the assets under management is almost 50 plus. And guys, if you want to see the assets, then click on the see assets, and you can see that the check out the DAO's holding at any time. So guys, the Ben Beldeza, and he writes that at its core, DWest is all about putting control into the hands of the end user and decentralizing the entire concept of investing. One of the fundamental principles of cryptocurrency is control your private keys, ensure your control of your assets. With traditional investing, and users don't usually have that kind of control. We want to encourage users to come into the new age of decentralized finance, stop investing and start divesting. So guys, what is DAO? And they write that about the DAO, it's a decentralized autonomous organization. DAO is a entity with no central leadership. Decisions get made from the bottom up, governed by a community organized around a specific set of rules enforced on a blockchain. DAOs are internet native organizations collectively owned and managed by their members. So they also write that they have built-in treasuries that are only accessible with the approval of their members. Guys, what is DWest Labs DAO? They also write that the DWest Labs is a decentralized autonomous organization. DAO operated by its community and developers, and you can see that you can also read more about the DWest Lab DAO here. And guys, this is the some of their projects and ventures like crypto price index, DDAX, options, and DeFi invest. So DeFi marketing, DWest Sachs, and also DSurance. It's a simple DeFi and DWest Ventures fund. So guys, the partners and technology behind the DWest Labs and their projects, it's almost Pancake, DDAX, and also Polygon. It's almost simple. And you can see more like Ethereum and etc. So you can see the more option like DAO, crypto price index, and the other like Bithola, DeFi marketing balancer, and Binance Smart Chain. And guys, there's some more right about the DVest. Like DVest Lab is creating some of the most innovative projects in the DeFi space. At this space matures and become more mainstream, DVest and its associated ventures will be well poisoned to maximize their potential positions to maximize their potential. And that's why I'm a DVest Lab DO member for the long term. So guys, this is the member of the DVest, and you can see more read about the members here. And guys, this is the contact us form, so you can also contact with them, like put it your name here, first name, last name, put it your email, and then put it your comment or message here, and click on the submit option. So when they receive your email, they will contact with you as soon as possible. So guys, this is a more option like about projects, docs, VC fund, community, partnership, and contact. So you can see more option here, so you can see read more about that here. Like if you are going to click on the doc option, you can read more about the project and also in the VC fund and community. So guys, we have also a bounty of the DVest Lab coins. So this is the bounty of the DVest Lab coins, and guys, you will find the link of this bounty in the description. So guys, these are the links like website, Bitcoin Talk, and other links here like YouTube and Telegram, Twitter. So guys, this is the distribution of rewards. The total bounty pool is almost every week is almost 3 Binance coins BNB per week. And guys, the signature campaign, it's almost 0.45 BNB. It's almost 15% are going to the signature campaign, 15% are going to Facebook campaign, and also they are distributing almost 15% the Twitter campaign. Telegram campaign, they just distributed almost 10%, and Reddit campaign, they also distributed almost 15%, and YouTube, you can see that they are also going to distribute 15%, and article campaign, they also distribute almost 15% BNB in this campaign. So the reward will be distributed every 2 weeks bi-weekly. And guys, this is announcements. So announcements is almost starting week 2, and they will also accept a new participant during the checking of the spreadsheet. And guys, the signature campaign is closed at this moment, and you can read more the announcements here. So guys, these are the general rules, and you must join the Telegram group or channel of the DeFi West. And guys, also you can read more rules here. And guys, this is the proof of authentication form. So just put it your Bitcoin Talk username, Bitcoin Talk profile link, put it your Telegram username, and also you can put it your join campaign. So guys, if you are going to like participate in the Twitter or Facebook campaign, and this is the report form. So this is the Facebook, this is the Twitter, and this is the Reddit profile URL. You are going to submit week like this, and just change the week number and the date. So guys, the signature campaign, if your rank is good, then you will get good stacks in the signature campaign. And almost you are going to post should be longer, almost 150 characters without spaces, and message shorter than 150 characters are not counted. Post in the off topic like archival, games and rounds, beginners and health, politics and society. And post in any bounty and signature campaign thread will not count as eligible. Inactive for more than 2 weeks will result in disqualification. And guys, you can also get 15 quality posts per week. burst post is not allowed. So guys, if you want to join the signature campaign, then you must to follow complete the join now form. Like just click on the join now, and you will see the form here. So the campaign is no longer, and this is finished now at this time, as I already told you. So now the second campaign is the Facebook campaign, guys. If you have good amount of friends, then you will get good amount of stacks, and you must to use these hashtags in your post and create 5 unique posts and per week, and minimum of 5 posts per week. So guys, read more about the rules here, and this is the form. So just click on the form, and if you want to join the Facebook campaign. So guys, this is the form of the Facebook campaign. So just put it to your authentication post link, put your Bitcoin Talk profile link, and again Facebook profile link, and also you are going to click on the number of friends that you have, and at the end, do you read accept rules and regulations? So just click on the yes, and after that just put it to your BSC wallet address or BP wallet address, and at the end you are going to submit your Telegram username with the hash with the @ and just click on the submit option, and you are going to submit in this campaign. So guys, as Facebook campaign, like if you have good amount of followers in the Twitter campaign, then you will get good amount of stacks here also, and these are the hashtags. And guys, you must to submit your weekly report. So guys, this is a form, this is a spreadsheet. You can check your name in the spreadsheet, and this is the Telegram campaign. So guys, you can also join the Telegram campaign. This is the avatar, and read more about rules here. And guys, this is the Reddit campaign. If you have good amount of karmas, then you will get good amount of stacks. Like you must at least 10 karmas, and the account must be at least 2 weeks old, minimum 3 upvotes and 2 posts per week. So guys, it's a simple campaign. So you can also join the Reddit campaign. This is the form, this is the spreadsheet. And guys, in the YouTube campaign, maximum 3 submissions are allowed per person. And guys, the video must be at least 3 minutes long. Shorter videos will be rejected, and the video must be in English language, and that are going to be accepted. And you must have at least 100 subscribers, guys. So you must to put these links and Bitcoin usernames and Bitcoin profile link in the description of the video. So guys, excellent video will get almost 400 stacks, and good almost 200 stacks, and the normal video will get almost 100 stacks, and the poor video will get 0 stacks. So guys, in the bonus, if you have a good amount of subscribers, then you will get almost good amount of stacks. Like if you have 5,000 plus subscribers, then you will get almost 50 stacks. 15,000 plus subscriber will get almost 150 stacks, and if you have 40,000 or 80,000 subscribers, will get almost 700 stacks. And this is the bonus in the YouTube campaign. So guys, this is the form, and this is a spreadsheet of the. So guys, this is the article campaign, and you can also join the article campaign. Maximum 3 submissions are allowed per person, so article may be accepted. In a case they are poorly written, duplicated, or any other form of plagiarism or with low quality, they are not going to be accepted. So you are going to submit your article in the Medium, and you must need almost 20 times, at least 20 claps will be needed, and article minimum in at least 400 words, and the article is must be in English. So the users multiple accounts will be banned from the campaign. So guys, you can also submit these links and Bitcoin Talk username, Bitcoin Talk profile link in the description of the article. So guys, the article will be rated based on the quality, length, and also the popularity of the publication. Like excellent 400 stacks per article, and also if you have poor article like 50 stacks per article, and the rejected article will be get 0 stacks. So guys, this is a form, and this is a spreadsheet. You can also check out your name the spreadsheet. So guys, if you have any type of question about this project, then you can ask. See you. Bye bye.